Mr. BFP, since you predict that one Bitcoin can touch 100,000 US dollars, and right before it does that, price have a chance to go down to 44,000 to 39,000. So what do? Do I sell off all my positions and buy at the bottom? No. You do not do that. Well, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Sivananda Rao, also known as the Bota Financial Planner. In the previous video, I predict that one Bitcoin can go up to 100,000, and before it does that, it might go down to 44 to 39,000. So there are a lot of questions where people want to sell the position right now and buy it at the bottom. So I always make a joke, unless you have a Bitcoin angel who is so great on-chain analysis as well as technical analysis, then by all means you can do your buying and selling. But that's not what the BFP is saying. The BFP is saying to dollar cost average, because nobody knows when the market top is, when the market bottom is. So this is what you do. So for those of you who have never heard the term dollar cost average, it means like this. If you have 1,000 ringgit, you can either invest it every single week or every single month, periodically. So this is how it works. So regardless of the market cycle, you invest, let's say 1,000 here, 1,000 here, on up and then down. So consistently you invest 1,000, and let's say the price goes all the way up later, you would have a good average entry price. So that's called dollar cost average. So in this case, the BFP predicts one Bitcoin will go up 200,000, but before that, there is a chance it can go down to maybe 44,000 or maybe 39,000. But what happens if it goes directly on top? You're going to regret not taking action. For those of you who've been following me since last year, congratulations, you are on a 250% profit, because the BFP really encouraged everybody to buy Bitcoin when it was 19,000. So currently you'll be up 250% on Bitcoin and 150% on Ethereum. So congratulations to you. So what do? Of course, you secure some profit. But what happens for those of you who never took action, you want to get in right now? You cannot time the market. So the best thing I would advise you to do is currently dollar cost average. So currently this is where price is at 58,000. Okay, this is where, let's say you invest 1,000 ringgit. If it goes down further to 44,000, you invest another 1,000 or you invest another 5,000. But what happens if it skyrockets all the way to 100,000? You're going to regret not taking this decision. This is where you need to dollar cost average. So there are only two possibilities from here. One is price dive down to 44 to 39 right before it goes up. It might just go down like this, and it might go up, or it will just go up all the way like this. So this 72,000 levels is where you need to watch out, because when price close above that, there's no stopping it, baby, right all the way to 100,000. So from there, A, possibility it goes down to 44 to 39, you D.C.A. B, it goes all the way to 72,000 and 100,000. So you D.C.A. So regardless of everything, you D.C.A. So what you want to do is actually take time to research the blockchain, what is Bitcoin, and then do your risk assessment, and then only you take action. So remember this, guys. So this is the plan. This is just to clarify the message out there so that you do not make any mistakes. The BFP wants everybody to make money. The BFP wants everyone to get into this, and there is a possibility of 70 to 80%. Those who missed the 250% bracket, do not worry. This is our next move, 70 to 80%. So I wish you guys all the best. And before we close it in, if you want to get into this crypto, very simple. A, download the ebook, which is on top of the link where in my Instagram. 2, go and check out the video which is called The Most Important Website. And number 3, take time to research and do your risk management and take action. So ladies and gentlemen, I wish you guys all the best. Take care.